Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
Good morning, students.
Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
How are you this morning?
I'm
Fine,
fine.
thank you.
Fine. Thank you.
And you?
I'm very well. I hope you also very well too. So before we begin the lesson today, can someone lead the prayer, please? Ricky.
Before we start the lesson, let's pray together. Pray begin. Finish.
Okay. Thank you very much, Ricky. So who is absent today?
Juju.
Why Juju is doesn't come to the class today?
We don't know. He's sick.
Ya.
Dia lebih memilih pramuka, sir.
Okay, I see. So let's begin the lesson.
Wow.
Okay. Okay, guys. What did you see in this picture?
Barista.
Yeah.
Barista.
How many people in there?
Two.
Okay, well done. You're right. So, can you tell me who among these two that still learning to make a cup of coffee?
The man.
Could you guess it again?
The man.
It's actually the woman. Okay, so in other words, we can conclude that the senior is trying to help the junior by trying to help. And what does he or she need to help the junior? Yes, it's giving instruction. Could you tell me some other things that we do which involve of giving instructions?
Can you? Maybe.
What kind of occasion? What kind of occasion that we usually use expression of giving instruction?
Please.
Okay. Yes. We usually give instruction
When we make something.
Yes. We usually give instruction when we do some group work or maybe making something and so on. So from what we have discussed, do you know what we are going to study today?
Instruction.
Yes. Today we will learn about something of giving instruction. So, okay, students, today we are going to study about the expression of instruction. Okay, yes. Please take a look at the dialogue and someone read it for us and the other please pay attention. Please maybe Rifai and Nian. Rifai will be John and yes.
Hey, July. It looks like you're confused about something. What's wrong?
John, what should I do after putting the water into the bottom of the coffee maker?
Next, you have to put coffee in the coffee compartment and screw the top of coffee maker on.
Okay, I got it. After I put the coffee onto the stove, what's next?
Then turn the stove on high and wait. You don't have to move the coffee pot.
Alright, if I remember correctly, when the water boils and goes into the upper part of the pot, you have to remove the pot from the heat.
That's correct. Lastly, pour some coffee into a cup, add sugar and milk, and it is ready to serve.
Finally, thank you, John. I think I still need to learn a lot from you.
Sure, July. Don't be hesitate to ask if you need some help.
Okay, thank you, Rifai and Nian. So, based on the text that your friends have read, what is it about?
Uh,
Instruction.
Yes.
It's about making
Uh,
coffee.
yes, it's about the making of a cup of coffee. So, what are the things that you see in the text, such as expression of instruction? Can you guess which one is can be count as expression of instruction? For example, at the second line, we have putting the water. It's a kind of expression of instruction, and put the coffee in the coffee compartment also. And any else?
Put the coffee pot on the stove.
Yes, you're correct. Okay. All right. Before we go to the next part, do you have any questions so far?
no.
Okay. So next, let's play a hangman game. I already put the link into our group, and you can check it now.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sure.
Yes, sir.
Check the link and click it.
Wait, sir. Wait.
Wait.
Wait, sir. Wee.
Three.
Mm.
Wow, lucu.
And then-
Lucu.
Oh, so cute.
Okay, let's play together.
So cute.
Now what?
Okay. After you go to the website, and please try to guess the expression of instruction based on this conversation that have given before. You can fill the blank the with the alphabet there and try to complete it. Okay, is there anyone who is done? There is 5 expression based on this conversation.
Aduh.
I'm going die.
Oh,
Ya, aku dapat.
good job, Melda. Okay, I think that's enough. You can post your result later on our group, and we move to the next part. Okay, so we will try to talk about the definition of expression of instruction. Expression of instruction is used when we want to do something. We want someone to do something for us. Instruction is a kind of expression that consists of imperative sentences. Okay, so instruction is a kind of expression that consists of imperative sentence. In grammar, so the main form instruction is verb I plus exclamation mark, or can be verb I plus complement plus exclamation mark. For example, open the book, clean the board, move the book. Or in negative form, don't verb 1 plus exclamation mark, or it can be done 1 plus complement and plus exclamation mark. For example, don't close the window, don't speak loudly, by you, don't sit here. So, but imperative sentences doesn't always do that. There are also some response to answer expression of instructions such as all right, okay, yes, thank you, of course, and okay. So about the characteristic, We use command or imperative sentences, such as put the noodles on the cafe union, and what was the tomatoes. Which would feature intonation, spelling, punctuation, and writing related to the topic. That and it uses simple present tense using action verbs such as make, take, and go. Okay, please wait. Okay, guys, please take a look at this picture.
All right.
I've already given the worksheet on our group. Please take a look. Please check it on your phone. Have you checked it on your phone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. And then I will repeat you the groups, and please do the tasks in groups, and please make a short dialogue consist of expression of instruction based on the picture using the keywords that given by me. You can pick any of pairs that you want and do the task by making a short dialogue. Maybe only two lines of conversation is enough. If there is anyone who is done, please tell it to me.
The expression customer.
Yes, you can use the expression that are given and make a dialogue on them. Okay, if you are already done, you can put your dialogue in the chat box, or you can also just tell it to me directly.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, are you done?
Yes.
Yes.
Who wants to try to answer the task? Okay, maybe Rifai, could you please tell me your answer for this task?
Short dialogue, right?
Yes,
Okay.
only short dialogue. Which one, the expression that you choose?
Put the coffee powder.
Yes, please make a dialogue from it, a short one.
It is about Budi and Andi.
Yes.
Okay. I think I need a cup of coffee, Andy.
Yes.
I have a coffee powder there. You can use it and pour some hot water and stir the coffee and you can drink it. Thank you,
Okay,
Andy.
thank you. Okay, thank you, Pak I. Please give applause to Pak I. Okay, I will give you the reward later. And what we have learned today.
Instruction.
Instructions.
Yes, it's expression of instruction. Can you mention it to me about the example of expression of instructions?
Put some water.
Yes. Any else?
So,
Add some food. Add some blah 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 blah.
Yes. So.
and then next,
What is the one of the characteristic of expressing instructions? It use what sentences?
conjunction.
Yes. It use what sentences? It starts with E. Yes, imperative, correct. Okay, so before we finish our lesson today, I would like to give you a task individually. Please take a look at your worksheet on the exercise 2. You have 2 minutes to do it. Do it start from now. Please check it on your group. Okay, guys, you can submit it to me for your homework. Please make a dialogue that consists expression or instruction, and it will be collected on the next meeting. For those anyone who is not perform well in this course, we will give you a remedial test on the next meeting also. Okay, I think that's all from me today. Thank you very much for your attention and participation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.